Welcome to our Northern Wisconsin raw wooded land tour.
So here comes Brad.
Netting for the face, just
Right?
in case.
Face just in case.
And I got bear spray right here.
Wow.
Unbelievably beautiful.
I didn't think that we would have so many trees. Beautiful. That's so pretty.
Flies.
Ooh,
Look at the
big
beautiful rocks. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
See those? They're huge. This is getting tough.
There's deer tracks right here. This is the deer trail, babe.
Okay, this walking around is getting pretty tough here.
And it's got a setting for SL1 or deep cycle. Do I put that on SL1? Do you know what that means? You might want to step back just in case. I called Russ Darrow and I talked to the man at the service center, and he told me to try to jump start the truck, see if we can get it going. It sounded like the battery, so yeah, I'm so glad I bought that. I don't know what you call it, but it'll jump a car when you plug it in an outlet. And so we've been having this problem when we go into reverse. When we go into reverse, the screen here turns green, or it gets just all distorted. And he said when the battery is low that it can cause all kinds of like electrical gremlins. So now we saw that the reverse is actually working well, so really happy. So maybe that's just a new battery and everything is solved. So we're gonna go over to Russ Darrow. They're gonna put a battery in, and then we're going up north to our property.
Looks like I'm gonna have to back up the old-fashioned way.
On the left here, you'll see a birch log down that's kind of running parallel to the road. That's kind of where our property starts, right about here.
Oh, is that the
Yep.
look?
There it is. Yep, this is our property.
Why does it say it's for sale?
Good question. Oh my, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Look at that.
Wow.
Oh, I'm getting excited.
We're sure that this one's ours.
This is it. This is it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
That's
It's
going to be very
beautiful.
private. Very happy. You know, this place is so secluded. We have a gravel road. We've had one car come by in the last 20 minutes.
It's hard to believe. It's a lot of land here. I don't know if you can really see it, but you can see through, you can walk through relatively easily. So I'm very happy to see that. It's really pretty. You can See that behind me? Yeah, it's just beautiful. I'll try to walk back here. You can kind of see a little bit. Yeah, it's literally like walking in a forest. It's awesome. The kids are really going to enjoy it. Yeah, unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's pretty open. I'm surprised. So here comes Brad.
Netting for the face, just
Right?
in case.
Face just in case.
And I got bear spray right here. Ready to go, baby.
All right, you want to walk on through? Yeah, it's, wow.
Unbelievably beautiful. This land is better than what we thought.
Yeah, it's literally like walking in, I mean, it's walking in the forest, but I didn't think that we would have so many trees. Beautiful. You can kind of see here. That's so pretty.
Flies. We got the maximum strength deed on.
Ooh,
Look at the
big
beautiful rocks. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
See those? They're huge. I don't know if you can see them. Doesn't really show on here, but it really is big.
All these trees will thicken up when it's cleared a little bit here and there.
I don't think you can really tell how open this is, but it's relatively open.
So we're on the back corner here. Now this is just, I think we got like less than half an acre of wetlands, and you can see where it's a little damp. You can walk through it right now, but it is boggy.
Yeah, this looks real mossy.
Here's the stakes. Sweet moss lives here.
Really mossy. So we finally made it to the back of the property. What do you think, Brad?
I am just wowed. Wooed? Is it wooed? Yeah, wooed. I'm wowed. Super happy, guys. This has just turned out to be better than ever imagined. So we're at the back corner. I think Michelle might have told you that. So we're gonna walk the back to the other side. And I see a birch. It's mostly maples. And let's see what kind of trees we have here. So this is the back corner where the wetland actually is. Not earlier, like I mentioned. Goes right over here, babe. I'll get on our side. Well, let's get where we can walk. Absolutely gorgeous.
Well, that looks cool.
Oh, I could see something living under there. Let's move down the road here. We got a little evergreen.
I try to get over
There's a
there.
nice evergreen up here.
All right, now we got a little opening. Oh,
Pink.
there's Pink.
So actually we're walking on the other side of our property at the back right now. Yeah. Wow. Super cool. Wonder why that's marked blue.
Where?
Back to these two trees.
Oh, maybe that's the edge?
Maybe they were to leave those trees.
I don't know. Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna kind of peek out of here front, babe. Kind of an open area here. See the sun over there.
Oh, Pink.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah. So here we are, guys. You got to be 20 feet from the property line for your structure. We can put up to 2 structures on our property because it's 10 acres. Let's see if I can kind of give you a view here. Oh, I don't know if this is doing anything, guys, but this is kind of an open area. Yeah. Awesome. Baby, actually there's too much grass in here. I don't want to go in there without being able to clear it a little bit. But you could just see how open, and it goes way back there. This would be a spot 20 feet from the property line to put a building. Right in here. And if we wanted to remove a couple trees here, we could even have a couple solar panels. It would work out okay. The kids are going to want to see this. Yeah. There are raspberries all over here, guys. So there's going to be berries. I can't wait. Nora and Gray are going to love this.
Yeah, I think we're on the edge.
That's Pink. All right, well, I'm just going to go over here to kind of get a sense of where we're at. That's the edge, I think, because the cypress,
There's the blue.
the big evergreens are right on the corner.
That's helpful.
See these big evergreens, Dave? Guys, here's those huge pines. So this is the other side of the sort of the back edge. Hey, babe.
This is getting tough.
There's deer tracks right here. This is the deer trail, babe.
Okay, this walking around is getting pretty tough here.
There's some deer tracks here. See if you can see them. And there's Michelle. So yeah, 10 acres is plenty, guys. 10 acres is a lot. Right on the edge. Hi.
Another pine for you.
Oh yeah.
Pining for you.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, here's more. Yeah, go ahead, babe. Okay. This is the way. We did it.
right, guys, we need water and we are winded. That's the edge, and that's the deer trail going down. And I guess Michelle's ready to get the AC on.